Madam Chair, I never applied for those iron sheets. Never. I did not apply for them. I did not ask, please give me. Yes, I got.
Can we listen? Can we listen?
Yes, I got. Someone rings and says, Honorable Kasaija, the office of the Prime Minister is donating iron sheets for you. Who? Donating, yes.
Yes. Let's listen.
Yes. And we have some papers which I will bring you. So the next thing, I see the iron sheets have been delivered. Even now, there is a bundle of 300. I did not know how it came. In my compound, you can come when I take you to go and see them. I didn't know. The other ones which I took, because I was told it was to support my constituency. And true, I have done that precisely. I have given 450 iron sheets to a school, which we finished fundraising recently, if you remember. The balance is still in my store in Kibali. And I'm looking for who should I give these.
I'm here, Honorable Minister.
So please crucify me, knowing that there is an innocent man on this issue. I'm totally innocent. I never asked for the iron sheets. The iron sheets found themselves in my compound.